This is a story about a beautiful princess who pricks her finger as the result of a curse, and she falls into a deep enchanted slumber until a prince awakens her with a kiss. I hope you like it.
In a land of wonder, where love shines so bright, Princess Serene was born a precious sight. Fairies gathered round with gifts of joy, but one cast a spell like a broken toy. Sleep, sleep, Princess Serene. Nature's wisdom guides your dream. Love will come to break the spell. In this tale, we'll always dwell. As Serene grew older, she danced and played with animals and flowers, her heart conveyed. On a special day, the spell came true, but the fairies' magic saw her through. Sleep, sleep, Princess Serene. Nature's wisdom guides your dream. Love will come to break the spell. In this tale, we'll always dwell. In her enchanted slumber, Serene's mind soared, learning life's secrets, her wisdom stored. A prince so pure, with love's sweet kiss, awoke serene to a world of bliss. Sleep, sleep, Princess Serene. Nature's wisdom guides your dream. Love will come to break the spell. In this tale, we'll always dwell. Now Serene's tale inspires us all to embrace life's plan, standing tall. In nature's magic, we'll find our way and cherish the beauty of each new day. Sleep, sleep, Princess Serene. Nature's wisdom guides your dream. Love will come to break the spell. In this tale, we'll always dwell.